Hello and welcome back to my channel Breaking the Barriers. So today, as you must have already seen on the board, is another video on classified advertising. This is the fourth and the last part, and this topic took 4 videos because I have tried to cover each and every part. So if you like the videos, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button, which will motivate me to make more videos for you all. If you haven't seen the previous videos, I suggest you click on that I button on the corner of the screen and please watch the previous videos because this is classified advertising part 4. If you want to understand from the beginning, you have to watch the other parts. In the last video, part 3 video, I have covered the last topic, missing person, and I have told you how to write an advertisement for a missing person. Now similarly, there is another topic, missing pet. If you have to give, suppose a person has lost his pet dog, pet cat, so they can also advertise it in a newspaper under the classified column missing. And as in missing person, we have given the details of the person who is missing, like the name, the age, the physical complexion, the body type, the clothes that he was wearing. Similarly, in missing pet case, we will describe the pet, like what color collar is the dog or the cat wearing, what is the color of the fur, what is the breed, what is the color, where it was last seen, everything like that. So that will be the missing pet. It is almost similar, that's why I am not covering it. Next, the topic that I am covering today is lost and found. Okay. Suppose you have lost your wallet when you were traveling on a public transport. Suppose you have lost your bag when you were running to catch your train. Or maybe you just had a quick nap in between your journey, and when you wake up from your sleep, you see your bag missing. Similarly, found. Suppose you entered in a park and you saw a black color bag lying over there, and you opened it and you saw that it contains some credentials, some details, some files of a particular person. That comes under the category you have found something. So these type of ads come under the category of lost and found. If you have lost something or if you have found something which you want to return back to the owner. So how to form classifieds for them, this we are going to learn today. So firstly, we are going to do a question on lost. Okay. No matter whether it is a question on lost or found, the heading will be same. That is lost and found. Now the question will be like as you were traveling through the public transport or a transport bus, you missed your bag. In a hurry to get down, you missed your bag. When you reached your office, you suddenly realized that you have lost your bag as it was left in the bus. Draft a suitable classified advertising giving all the necessary details for a national daily or for a newspaper. So how will you draft? What are the important points that you will consider? See, the first word will be lost and it will be in capital. After that you put a comma, and after that you will start writing your advertisement in your normal handwriting. So lost a black bag on the way from Mall Road to Swaroop Nagar. Lost a black bag on the way from Mall Road to Swaroop Nagar in a UPSRTC bus, or whatever you want to write, public bus, auto rickshaw, cab, whatever you want to write. Number you can also give the bus number if you want to. Okay, just to make it more easy. Whenever you sit in a bus and you purchase the ticket for the bus, sometimes it is mentioned on the ticket, the bus number is mentioned. So from there we can assume that this person has tracked the bus. The bag contains some important documents. Okay, so you have described what kind of bag it was and where were you traveling, in which mode of transportation you were traveling. Bag contains some important documents. It was lost yesterday, and in bracket you will also write the date. Around 12:30. Okay, date and time, so that any person who have got it on this date around this time could come to know that yes, this bag belongs to you. So see the details. Where were you traveling, in which mode of transport, what color the bag is, what it was, what all was there inside the bag, when it was lost, what time it was lost. After that, you, to attract the person who has got the bag, you can add in some reward. Anyone who returns will be rewarded. Okay, or you can also mention an amount like 500 rupees, 1000 rupees. After that, you will write the contact details. If found, contact, and you can give them a mobile number on which the person who has found your bag can contact you. And if you want, you can also give your address so that the person can, if he lives nearby, can come to you personally. Okay, so these are the details that you put in a lost and found ad. Let's see what all we have added over here. First thing, we have added the description of the thing which is lost. It is a black colored bag. It contains some important documents. So description is very important of the object which is lost. After that, where you have lost it, when you have lost it. Okay, when and where, very important. Lost on this and this date, at this time, on this and this route, in this and this bus number so and so. So these details are very important. Only on the basis of the details will a person be able to recognize that yes, this bag belongs to you. After that, you will add that why you want that bag to be returned. First of all, it contains important documents. Secondly, if anyone will return, he will be rewarded. Second thing, and last but not the least, contact details. Okay, so these are the necessary details of a lost and found ad. Now this is for a lost ad. Now what will you do for a found advertisement? Found advertisement, see, there are still some people who are quite good in this world. Okay, although आजकल ज़्यादा ऐसा होता नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ भले मानुस हैं जो कोई चीज़ किसी की मिल जाती है तो वापस लौटाना चाहते हैं. So suppose you have found a purse, a bag, or a pen drive or anything important somewhere on the road, in the park, anywhere. You know that yes, this thing is important for the owner, and out of your good heart, out of your good intentions, you want to return it back. इस टाइप का पर्सन फाउंड वाला एड देगा क्लासिफाइड में. जैसे लॉस्ट वाला था, इसमें हमने कहा था लॉस्ट अ बैग, इसमें बताएंगे फाउंड. ओके, आई हैव फाउंड इट एंड आई एम विलिंग टू रिटर्न इट. तो हम जो ऐड देंगे हम उसकी बात करें. ठीक है, तो लेट्स सी हाउ वी हैव टू फ्रेम दिस. So in that particular case, we will be the one who has found something. All the details will remain the same. We will give the description of the object which we have found. We will describe where and when we have found it, and the reward section is eliminated. You will not give any reward to the person who is coming to take back his own thing. So you will describe the object, you will describe where and where it is found, and you will give your contact details. So anyone who has lost something over there could come and contact you. Okay? मान लीजिए आपको एक पार्क में एक वॉलेट पड़ा मिला है, तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिखेंगे दैट इट्स अ ब्राउन कलर्ड वॉलेट and inside the wallet I found the name of the person on his driving license. The name was Mr. Arun Kumar, and Mr. Arun Kumar, I found it in a park while I was going on an evening walk on this and this date on this and this time, and these are my contact details. You can contact me. So this is how you will frame the found at. जैसे इस वाले की स्टार्टिंग लॉस से हुई थी, उसकी स्टार्टिंग हो जाएगी फाउंड से. एवरीथिंग एल्स रिमेन द सेम एक्सेप्ट द रिवॉर्ड थिंग. The last type that I want to discuss is if you are describing or if you are putting a classified ad for any particular institute or organization. For example, you have started a dance class and you want to advertise. Now these type of advertisements are given in big commercials, but people who don't want to invest large amount of money in that commercial, they can also give a small classified ad. For example, you have opened a new education center, a new coaching institute, new cooking classes, dance classes, aerobic classes, tours and travels. So all these can also be given in the classified column. So I am giving you one example and all the others will be done according to this only. The example that I am taking is tours and travels. Okay, suppose you are a travel agent and you have a travel agency, Star Tours and Travels, and you are coming up with a new scheme which you want to advertise. So how will you advertise it in the classified column? The heading will be tours and travels. Capital. Okay. Now if it is a coaching institute, the heading will be educational institute. If it is a dance class, the heading would be dance classes. If it's a cooking class, education would be cooking classes. If it's a automobile driving school, then it would be auto driving school, means related to that. Then you will start with the package, the name. Star Tours and Travels is organizing a tour to Australia. Okay. Main places of attraction will be Sydney, Melbourne, and you can keep on adding the details. The question will give you that the tour package is being organized for which particular part of the world or which particular area. It will be mentioned in the question only. So the question will be, you are the owner of the Star Tours and Travels and you have organized a tour or to Australia, and give a classified to attract the tourists for this particular group. Sydney, Melbourne, etc. You can add all these things. It's a 7 days tour and cruise. Full stop. 2.5 lakh per person, including travel, food, lodging. रहना खाना टिकट सबका खर्चा मिला के 2.5 लाख पर पर्सन. 10% discount if booked before 10/7/2020. Okay, and after that contact, mobile number, official address and email you can write over here. Clear? So you have to give the complete detail. Star Tours and Travels organizing trip to Australia, main places Sydney, Melbourne, 7-day tour and cruise, 2.5 lakh per person, fooding, traveling, lodging, everything you have described over here. Similarly, if it would have been a dance class, you would have organized that what type of trained professionals you are having, what all dance forms you are teaching, what is the fees, everything like that. So I hope this is clear. This finishes our topic classified advertising. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. It's bye for now. Happy learning.